So have you ever wondered how companies manage that colossal, always shifting infrastructure that powers modern AI? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive deep into infrastructure as code and check out 3 seriously powerful tools that are taming that AI beast.
Right, the source material does not pull any punches here. In the world of machine learning, manually clicking around in a cloud console, that's like trying to build a skyscraper with a tiny screwdriver. It's not just slow, it's a complete recipe for disaster. The demands are just way too intense, the environments are too complex, and just one little misconfiguration can bring your entire operation to a screeching halt.
And that really is the million-dollar question, isn't it? I mean, just imagine an environment that's like a sleeping giant one minute, just peacefully storing petabytes of data, and then the next, it's a raging inferno of computation, with hundreds of GPUs roaring to life. Taming that beast, managing that wild swing, that's the heart of the challenge we're tackling today.
To solve this puzzle, we're basically stepping into the ring with 3 heavyweight contenders from the infrastructure as code world. Now each one has a totally different fighting style, a different philosophy for how to manage all this chaos. So it's not just about what they do, it's about how they think. Okay, first up, we have the reigning champion, Terraform. It's the industry standard for a good reason. Think of it as the ultimate architect for your cloud. You basically hand it this super detailed blueprint of your dream setup written in its own language, HCL, and Terraform just meticulously builds it, brick by digital brick.
Next in the ring, you've got Pulumi, the clever programmer. It looks at that blueprint model and says, hey, why reinvent the wheel? Why not just use powerful languages we already know and love, like Python? And this is a huge game changer, especially in the Python-heavy world of MLOps. All of a sudden, your infrastructure isn't just some static config file. It's a living, breathing piece of software you can program and test just like anything else.
And finally, we have the revolutionary crossplane. This one takes the most radical approach of all. It says, look, let's not just build infrastructure, let's teach our existing systems how to build it for us. With crossplane, you just describe what you want in a simple text file. And your Kubernetes cluster, that powerful brain you're already using, becomes the master builder, handling everything. It's kind of like giving your control plane a whole new set of superpowers. So we've met our 3 contenders. Now let's see how they can actually work together to build the ultimate AI infrastructure stack. We're going to start from the ground up with the absolute bedrock of our entire operation, Layer 0. For this foundational layer, the unshakable bedrock, the stuff that absolutely cannot fail, Terraform is our champion. Think of it like a master stonemason, carefully carving out our core network, our security policies, and the main Kubernetes cluster. Its legendary stability and battle-tested reliability make it pretty much the only real choice for this kind of critical, heavy lifting. Now, this is where Terraform's genius really shines. It's not just about building the house, it's about furnishing it with total precision. For example, you can create a kind of VIP lounge for your most demanding guests, in this case, your power-hungry GPU nodes. By applying what's called a taint, you're essentially putting a velvet rope and a bouncer at the door, making sure that only the most important ML jobs get access to those precious, super expensive resources.
All right, so we've got our solid foundation, but a foundation is just the beginning, right? How do we build on top of it to create a platform that actually empowers our data scientists and unleashes their creativity? Well, that's where Layer 1 comes in.
For the platform layer, we bring in Crossplane, the ultimate personal assistant for our developers. It runs right inside that Kubernetes cluster we built with Terraform, and it acts like a friendly concierge, hiding all the messy, complicated details of the cloud. It gives our data scientists a simple, self-service menu of options, so they can just order up the resources they need without having to know anything about the plumbing behind the walls.
Now check this out. Here is the killer feature that makes Crossplane so powerful. It's a tireless, vigilant guardian of your infrastructure. With Terraform, you have to manually check if anything's gone wrong. But Crossplane, it's always on duty, constantly watching. If some mischievous gremlin sneaks into your system and deletes a critical resource, Crossplane spots it in a nanosecond and instantly rebuilds it, no questions asked. It's like having a self-healing superpower for your production pipelines. Okay, we've built the foundation and the platform. Now, let's climb up to the penthouse, the creative studio where the real magic happens. This is that dynamic, fast-paced world of the data scientist, where machine learning models are born, experiments are run, and innovation happens at the speed of thought. And this is where Pulumi steps onto the stage. It's not just glue,
It's more like a master weaver, seamlessly intertwining the worlds of application code and infrastructure. A data scientist can now write a single Python script that's both a masterpiece of machine learning and the blueprint for the perfect environment to bring it to life. That wall between what my code does and what my code needs, yeah, it just crumbles to dust.
And what you're seeing here is Pulumi's secret weapon, its automation API. Just imagine a world where a data scientist can simply say, hey, I need a supercomputer with 4 A100 GPUs for the next 6 hours. Pulumi makes that a reality. It spins up the exact environment they need just in time and then, poof, vaporizes it the moment the job's finished. This isn't just about convenience, it's a revolutionary approach to cost. We're talking about potentially slashing your GPU bills by 50% or more simply by getting rid of waste.
So, we've seen Terraform, the master architect, Crossplane, the vigilant guardian, and Pulumi, the master weaver. The real genius here isn't about crowning a single champion. It's about assembling a dream team, a unified, hybrid stack that uses the unique superpowers of each tool to create something truly extraordinary.
The ultimate goal here is to solve what the source material brilliantly calls the operational trilemma. That constant tug-of-war between three essential forces. You crave the unshakable stability of a fortress for your core systems, right? That's Terraform's domain. You need the elegant simplicity of an abstraction layer to shield your users from complexity. And that's where Crossplane shines. And you demand the untethered flexibility of a creative playground for your data scientists, and that's Pulumi's masterpiece.
This is the grand finale. It's the master plan that brings it all together. It's a symphony of stability, simplicity, and speed, with each tool playing its perfect part. Terraform lays down that steady rhythm of the foundation, Crossplane provides the harmonious melody of the self-service platform, and Pulumi adds that soaring, improvisational solo of the dynamic application layer. This isn't just a technical solution, folks. It's a business strategy for winning in the age of AI.
And that brings us to the fundamental question that's going to define the next decade of AI. Are you building an infrastructure for the world of yesterday, a world of static, monolithic, wasteful systems, or are you building for the world of tomorrow, a world of dynamic, on-demand, and intelligent infrastructure that moves at the speed of innovation? The choice is yours, but the future? It's already here, and it's built on a foundation of code.